Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Wednesday, November 28, 2012. Well, a continuation of the trend to the downside today, and a candle that's made a higher high and a lower low. Now I know it doesn't look like the trend is continuing down, but technically we don't have a lower high and a lower low. Previous day's trading we had an inside day, prior to that an inside day, and prior to that the market was in an uptrend. So we've had, following the uptrend with this very bullish candle, we've had an inside day, and now an outside day. So the trend continues to the upside, and if we look at this candle and look at the previous two candles, obviously the sellers had no strength in the previous two markets, except for yesterday. They were quite strong, but they found very strong support down around the 1400 level, and today for this market traded a long way down through 1400, but the buyers came back in to close this market well up above 1400 around the 1409 level. Very bullish candle, a fairly large white-bodied candle, suggesting that the buyers have closed with control. They've been, by the end of trading, they've been strongly committed to this market. They did lose a lot of commitment as the market was trading down around these areas, but the buyers came back in, and eventually the sellers actually lost all of the commitment that they had for the trading day. In terms of resistance at the moment, there is quite strong resistance up around this 1409 level. That was a target that I mentioned yesterday, and extending from around the 1405 area roughly to this 1409, and very strong resistance around the 1415 and up to 1422 as well. We also have strong resistance up above there, where the market is trading at the moment, at the top of the cloud at around 1434. But we do need to be aware that as this market continues trading, the cloud will now roll over and move down to meet the market if this market doesn't appreciate. So we do have dynamic resistance that this market will encounter very, very soon. So if we are going to see strength from the buyers, and if we are going to see a bullish market, they will need to really do something fairly soon to break through this thin amount of cloud and give us a bullish market. If the market does find resistance around the cloud here, then we could see the market remaining bearish in that long-term time frame. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, once again the market is trading around this 261.8% level. It's a very, very important level for the S&P 500. It's at this 1409 level that the market has just closed at today, and now we've tested that area on 4 previous occasions, and the market hasn't been able to trade through there significantly. So even though we do have this bullishness in this market at the moment, and the sellers losing commitment and lacking any sort of downside momentum, we do see the market failing to break through this 261.8% level, and it does suggest that there is potential for the market to trade down from this area. Now, if we do see the market trading in a bullish manner up above this 1409, it will negate this 261.8%, and our next target is well above the top of the cloud, around 1450 for the 423.6%. So that really does make this 261.8% level quite important in the medium-term time frame. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement of the prior downtrend, and here we know that the market's been trading through the 61.8% level in a very bullish manner. The next level was the 78.6% level, which is a minor level around 1414, but then the 100% level up here coincides roughly with the bottom of the cloud roughly around the 1433 area, and that does suggest that resistance up around that area will be very, very strong if this market does continue trending up. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, obviously we have a negative market, a bearish market in the long-term time frame by trading down below the cloud, but the market remains bullish in the medium and fast-term time frames by still trading up above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. And remember, about a week or week and a half ago, we had this bullish breakout up above the Tenkan-sen, and it suggested that there was potential for a change of sentiment in this market, and then this bullish close up above the Kijun-sen. So with the market now continuing to trade up above the Kijun-sen, we could see the buyers come back in and trade up to the bottom of the cloud, roughly around this 1434 level. Just looking at the Chikou span here, that is below the corresponding price action here, so it is confirming the negativity that we are seeing in the long-term time frame. So a scenario here is that we could see the buyers continue to the upside here and find resistance at one of these levels or just at the bottom of the cloud and then trade back down. But this market today and for the previous 3 days has really highlighted how strong the support at 1400 has been. It's a previous area of support and resistance and acts in a zone. And obviously for tomorrow, if we do see this market come off, then we do need to watch the 1400 level and just beyond as an important area of support. But really the area around the 1409, 1410 around the high of this current candle is important for a continuation of the trend to the upside. And we do have strong resistance around 1415 and 1422.